Top 5 packaging tips. Before you choose a pump, you need to know how you're going to use it and what additional items you might need to go with the pump. To help with those decisions, our packaging is designed to answer many of the questions you may have. Tip number 1, know your application. Whether you're looking for a utility pump, sump pump, jet pump, or something else, each package includes a section on the back called Choose the Right Pump. This will help you narrow your choice to the right pump category. Tip number 2, know the pipe or hose connection diameter. You will find a quick start guide on each package with information on how the pump connects and what size pipe or hose is needed. In some cases, the connection diameter can also be found in other areas of the package. Tip number 3, know the horsepower. It is important to select the right horsepower for your application. In many cases, you should choose a pump with the same horsepower or higher. You will find the horsepower information on the front of each package. Remember, higher horsepower usually provides more water pressure or flow, but it's always important to know your application before you buy. Tip number 4, if you're buying a jet or irrigation pump, you need to know how deep you're pumping from. This applies to pumps that pull water from below ground or from a lake or stream. You'll find this information on the front of each jet or irrigation pump package. Tip number 5, know what additional components or accessories you will need. When replacing a pump, be sure to replace any old or worn accessories and components, as these items can prevent an airtight seal in the system and even cause premature pump failure. There is a section on each package called You Will Need, which shows the additional items you should plan to purchase. When installing a sump pump, check the sump basin size. To review, know the application. Know the size of the pipe or hose that connects to the pump. Know the horsepower. Know how deep you're pumping from for jet and irrigation pumps. Know what additional components or accessories you will need. With this information, you should be able to identify and choose exactly the right pump for your application.